Welcome! In this step-by-step tutorial, I'll show you how to use ProofHub to master project management and team collaboration. We'll cover task management, project planning, time tracking, discussions, file sharing, and reporting tools so you can streamline workflows and improve team productivity. Whether you're managing a small team or coordinating large-scale projects, this guide will help you use ProofHub efficiently and keep everyone aligned. Project management and team collaboration. Managing projects shouldn't feel like putting out fires all day. But between disorganized tasks and clear communication, missed deadlines, and files scattered across a dozen platforms, it often does. That is where ProofHub steps in, an all-in-one project management and team collaboration software designed to bring clarity, control, and calm to your workday. At the heart of ProofHub is its powerful task management system. You can create tasks and subtasks, assign them to specific team members, set deadlines, and add important notes or attachments. Tasks can be organized using labels, priorities, and custom workflows. You also get multiple viewing options. Use a simple to-do list, switch to a Kanban board for agile workflows, or map out your project with a timeline view using Gantt chart. These flexible formats let you manage tasks in the way that fits your team's style. ProofHub's Gantt chart lets you visualize timelines, track progress, and adjust deadlines with ease. You can set task dependencies to prevent bottlenecks and keep projects on schedule. For collaboration, the discussions feature lets your team communicate directly within the platform, keeping conversations focused and organized. You can tag team members, share updates, and give feedback in context. The proofing tool simplifies file reviews. Team members can leave comments directly on designs, presentations, or PDFs, speeding up feedback and approval without the need for re-uploading. If you need a quick way to communicate, ProofHub also includes real-time chat. You can message teammates instantly without leaving the platform, making it easy to get answers fast or share quick updates without interrupting workflows. For time-conscious teams, ProofHub offers time tracking features, log hours spent on tasks. You can either manually enter time or use timers to track work in real time. This is perfect for client billing, productivity tracking, or simply understanding where your team's energy is going. Customizability is another strength of ProofHub. With custom roles and permissions, you control who sees what. Whether it is clients, freelancers, or internal team members, you can tailor access based on responsibilities. The platform also supports custom workflows, custom fields, project templates, and even white labeling so you can match the interface to your brand's identity. In terms of integrations, ProofHub plays well with others. It connects with popular tools like Google Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, Box, and more, so you can bring your files into one workspace without disrupting your existing habits. One of the best things about ProofHub is its simple pricing. Unlike other platforms that charge per user, ProofHub offers flat-rate pricing. That means you can add as many users as you want without watching your costs spiral. There are two plans: the Essential Plan at $45 per month, billed annually, and the Ultimate Control Plan at $89 per month, billed annually, which includes advanced features like custom rules, priority support, and detailed access controls. If you're curious but not ready to commit, ProofHub offers a 14-day free trial. You get access to all features, no credit card required. It is a great way to explore the platform and see if it fits your team's needs. In short, ProofHub isn't just another project management tool. It is a full workspace that brings together planning, collaboration, communication, and execution under one roof. Whether you are managing client projects, internal teams, or complex campaigns, ProofHub keeps everything connected, clear, and moving forward. Ready to take back control of your workflow? Let us start our free trial today. Enter the information that are needed, and if you are done, just click Continue. For getting started, choose a specific team. I am going to choose Team, and then how many people and time zone. And once you are done, just click Next. Here, we will rename our first project. Let me just say that in there. You can add tasks on your project. You can rename everything, but for the sake of this video, I want it to just stay in the name. After that, Define your workload stages for your task. Next is to choose your layout. You can choose table, board, Gantt, and Commodore, but I will choose board because they have the same feature of Trello, and it is familiar and easy to use for me. You can also invite your team. After that, you'll be redirected to the dashboard. Let us simply explore what is inside ProofHub. First, let us explore this house icon, which is called Me. In ProofHub, the Me icon shows a personalized view of all your assigned tasks, events, and milestones across projects. It helps you focus on your responsibilities by organizing everything relevant to you in one place. We have announcements. It means these things are important and should be noticed as possible. In order to add, just click Add and put the title, description, and if you are done with all the information, just click Add. In my shortcuts, the purpose of this is to easily spot the things that you want to see in ProofHub. You can edit it, but now I will skip that. Let us go to Projects. Here, we can see that this is the project that we made earlier. Click on that. The same feature like Trello and Kanban. We have 3 portions: backlog, in progress, and complete. Let's click on this first card. We have our first task. We can edit the start date or due date. Labels like high, in progress, low, medium. Then we can edit the assignees, time, and progress of this card. And as you can see here, we can attach files, drop comments, and also see the task history. If you are done with that, just click X. For example, if your first task is in progress, you can drag it to the next portion. And if the first task is complete, you can also drag it to the complete portion. The same is true with other cards. If you want to add another card in the portion, in progress, just click the plus sign and put the title of the task as well as description and other areas in the card. Just drag, edit, and drop everything. Easy peasy. Let us proceed in the Everything section. In the ProofHub, the Everything section gives you a complete overview of all tasks, time entries, Gantt chart, and team activities across every project. It is a central place to track progress, view updates, and manage work without switching between individual projects. The Reports section provides visual summaries of project progress, task status, and time log. It helps you track productivity, spot delays, and make informed decisions. You can view workload, reports, project progress, time reports, and more, all in one place. The People section lets you manage all users in your account, including team members, clients, and roles. You can add or remove people, assign them to projects, set permissions, and track their activity and workload. The Chat section in ProofHub enables real-time messaging within the platform, allowing direct and group conversations to keep communication organized and tied to projects. Thank you very much for watching this complete step-by-step guide. I hope this video helped you understand how to use ProofHub to manage projects, track progress, and collaborate more effectively with your team. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up to support the channel. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss future tutorials on project management tools, productivity platforms, and business software. If you have any questions or would like a deeper walkthrough of specific features, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.